Hello, I'm Steve Santangelo. Welcome to Palmer Wahl. If you're looking for innovation, you've come to the right place. Let's go. Here's our red reading mercury thermometer that was invented by Charlie Palmer in 1929, patented around the world and still being used today. And we're hand making these glass thermometers, joining two different pieces of glass together. Here's our carousel that does the same thing automatically, joining the glass tube onto our thermometer. Our tubes that are manufactured in our tube department are pointed, and those points are transferred to a scale, and now the scale is being custom engraved to match that tube. We're silk screening. We're turning a blank piece of aluminum into a printed scale. How's it coming there, Nancy? Perfect. Here's our thermometer that's used on the F-16 fighter planes. And what we've had to do this past year is change the temperature scale, because it used to be 0 or minus 40 to 160, and apparently it was not, the scale didn't go up high enough because of the high heat that they experienced in Iraq and in the Middle East. So we expanded the temperature range to go up to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's our fever alert imaging system that can tell temperature by the surface of your skin. This is our new Wahl Heat Spy Imager camera that measures temperature across the entire screen, so you can actually identify hot spots anywhere on that screen. So you can find hot spots or cold spots from a hot odor, from your building envelope, inspecting your building to ensure that cold air is not penetrating inside, and for a lot of other different applications. This is our new wireless temperature measuring system.
Wireless RTD system.
It's monitoring the calibration tanks and sending
the data over to our computer.
Over to the computer.
So we have a record of all the temperatures throughout the time.
It's a great system. Here's our Heat Spy infrared thermometer aimed towards a black body for us to calibrate the temperature of this unit. The black body is currently at 763 degrees C, and this thermometer right now is reading about 765. I get it positioned in the right spot. This is our Wahl irreversible temperature labels, used to stick onto motors to monitor for overheat, used to put onto carcasses of cows to make sure they reach a designated temperature to prevent E. coli, and used for many other purposes. Come on, John, let's go. We got it. In 1997, we acquired Wahl Instruments, and that gave us a relationship in China that we developed and it turned into a joint venture. 172 years ago, Palmer Wahl started in Cincinnati, Ohio, and one of the inventions that it came up with was the mercury glass thermometer, which was patented in 1929 by Charles Palmer. This technology evolved into dial-type thermometers. It then evolved into bimetal thermometers, which is a mechanical type that has two separate coils that have different coefficients of expansion. That technology evolved into some of the handheld electronic meters from Wahl Instruments. That technology continued to evolve into a thermal imaging camera. And the thermal imaging camera is able to see the entire image at one time. We've got so many great things, some great ideas coming down the pipe.
Enough about the future.
But wait, there's a lot more to tell about our future. There's more about this product I want to tell you about, John.